49 years ago today, on thousands of campuses and parks across the country, 20 million people greeted the spring sun and a new season of environmental reform. Sick of pesticides and air pollution, they celebrated the first Earth Day.
One joke went,
"We have seen the enemy, and he is us."
Earth Day participants replied,
"We must reform human relations with the natural world."
and we have reformed them. But the joke's on us. Our terraforming has disrupted the Earth's systems. We're changing the ground on which we live.
That might feel terrifying. We're in uncharted territory. We're driving other species extinct at a rate not seen in 60 million years.
And the last time carbon dioxide was at 412 ppm, it was the Miocene epoch.
"We're off all human charts."
But maybe the right word for how we're feeling isn't terrifying.
A word which shares terrestrial origins.
Maybe, on our destabilized Earth, the key word for what we're feeling is liquefying.
A word that reminds us that more and more of the planet's ice is becoming water. These students, Lucy and Tathagat from Penn and Claire, our Bryn Mawr, leave you with 3 more keywords, words that help us as we're finding our way toward a pedagogy of the climate changed.
Justice.
Entanglement.
Collaboration.
Thank you.